Palworld Connection Timed Out, error. 1. Check server status. Visit the official Palworld website or social media pages to see if there are any reported server outages or maintenance periods. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until they're back online before you can play. 2. Troubleshoot your internet connection. Restart your router. Unplug your router and modem for 30 seconds, then plug them back in and wait for them to fully restart. Check your internet speed. Use an online speed test to ensure your connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. If it's slow, contact your internet service provider. Switch to a wired connection. If possible, use an Ethernet cable to connect your device directly to your router for a more stable connection. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, temporarily disable them as they can sometimes interfere with game connections. 3. Address firewall, antivirus interference. Temporarily disable. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software to see if it's blocking the game's connection. If this resolves the issue, add an exception for Palworld in your security settings. 4. Restart Palworld and your device. Close and relaunch Palworld. A simple restart can often clear temporary glitches. Restart your device. If restarting the game doesn't help, restart your PC, console, or other gaming device. 5. Verify integrity of game files. Steam. Right-click Palworld in your library, go to Properties, greater than, Local Files, greater than, Verify integrity of game files. This will check for any corrupted or missing files and repair them if necessary. 6. Update Palworld to the latest version. Developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve connection stability. Ensure you have the latest version of Palworld installed. 7. Choose a less crowded server. If you're experiencing the error during peak hours or on popular servers, try joining a less crowded server. Additional tips. Run as administrator. Right-click the Palworld executable file and select Run as Administrator to grant it full permissions. Disable overlays. Temporarily disable any overlays from software like Discord or Steam. Change DNS servers. Consider switching to a different DNS server, such as Google's, linked to 8.8.8.8 and linked to 8.8.4.4. If none of these solutions work, try contacting Palworld's support team for further assistance. They may be able to provide more specific troubleshooting steps based on your individual situation.